Fam, it's the $1,000,000 Ape, your go-to for smart crypto moves, real yield, and Warlord-level strategy in the on-chain jungle. If you're holding any serious crypto bags and you're still using just a centralized exchange or a mobile wallet, you're playing with fire. In this video, I'm going to break down why cold wallets like Ledger are essential in 2025, how they work, and how you can set one up so your digital assets are protected from hacks, scams, and centralized rug pulls. Let's get it. So, what's a cold wallet? In crypto, you've got two main types of wallets, hot and cold. Hot wallets are always connected to the internet. Think MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, or any exchange-based account. They're convenient, but also vulnerable to phishing, malware, and platform failures. Cold wallets, they're offline, fully disconnected, immune to the majority of attack vectors. They keep your private keys stored in a physical device, like a ledger, that only connects to the internet when you plug it in. This makes them way harder to compromise. Now here's the real talk. Every major exchange that's ever blown up, FTX, Celsius, BlockFi, MateGox, has proven one thing: not your keys, not your coins. When your crypto is sitting on a centralized exchange, you're essentially trusting a third party with your money. If that party goes down, your coins go with it. Even self-custody hot wallets have risks. One click on a malicious site, one signature on a scammy contract, and boom, you're wrecked. Cold storage removes that attack surface. That's why pros, institutions, and crypto veterans keep their core assets on devices like Ledger. So why Ledger in particular? Ledger's been around since 2014, with millions of devices sold worldwide. It supports over 5,500 coins and tokens and integrates with a bunch of DeFi platforms and staking services. But more importantly, it's battle-tested. The secure element chip used in Ledger devices is the same type used in passports and credit cards. That's hardware-grade protection for your crypto. Now let's talk setup, because people think cold wallets are complicated. They're not. Here's the basic flow. Buy your Ledger directly from the official site. Never, ever buy used or from third parties. That's a recipe for wallet compromise. Unbox and initialize the device. You'll create a PIN and be given a 24-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your lifeline. Write it down, store it offline, and never take a photo of it. Install Ledger Live, their desktop or mobile app. This is your dashboard to manage crypto, send, receive, and even stake certain assets. Connect your device, sync your accounts, and boom, your assets are now under true self-custody. And if you're worried about convenience, you don't have to keep your Ledger plugged in all the time. You only use it when making transactions or managing your portfolio. Think of it like a digital vault. Not for daily degen trading, but for the bags you want to protect long-term. Now here's a little extra sauce. Let's say you've got $10,000 in crypto. Keeping that on a centralized exchange is like parking your Lambo in the street with the keys inside. Moving it to a cold wallet, that's like putting that Lambo in a titanium vault with motion sensors and laser beams. Same car, just protected. It's not about flexing. It's about protecting your capital so it can grow. And for real, even if you're using platforms like Nexo, where you can earn up to 14% on stablecoins or 7-8% on BTC and Ethereum, you can still set up a hybrid strategy. Earn yield on a portion, cold store the rest. It's called capital allocation, and it's, how smart apes survive bear markets and thrive in bull ones. I'll drop a link to Ledger's official store below. That's the one I trust, and if you decide to grab one, you'll also be supporting the channel. Let's recap. Cold wallets are offline storage solutions that keep your private keys and your crypto safe from online threats. Ledger is one of the most trusted options, with support for thousands of coins, high-grade security, and an intuitive setup. In 2025, with scams still rampant and exchange collapses still possible, cold storage is non-negotiable for anyone serious about protecting their digital wealth. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you're already using cold storage, or if you've got any questions before you set one up. Stay based, stack smart, ape out.